illegal campfire. Someone's about to get burned.
Whoa!
How'd my hand get so dirty?
He's the guy that started the fire. You're under arrest for an illegal fireplace.
You can't arrest me. You're just a park ranger.
I'm not just a park ranger. I'm John Timber.
Explain it again.
I detected an illegal campsite, tracked down the perp, and made an arrest.
You can't arrest people. You're not a cop, you're a park ranger.
Hey, that campfire could have started a brush fire and it could have burned down the entire forest. My methods may be extreme, but at least I stop at nothing to save Mother Nature.
John, is this really about Toby? You know his death affected us all.
It's just not fair. He was only a cub.
I know. He was one of the best honorary park rangers I've ever seen. John, you're not well. And until you get better, I'm assigning you to wood chip duty.
What?
I want all of the park pathways pristine. Got it?
You again?
Ah, great.
You had one job, to fix the wood chip paths. Do you see a wood chip path behind you?
No.
Exactly. That's it, Timber. Give me your badge.
Here.
Why does it say sheriff on it?
Because I'm the sheriff of the forest, that's why.
Go home.
It's not over until the fat lady sings, Timber.
Who the hell are you?
A friend of Toby's. You're not the only one who wants to see justice for Toby's murder.
Didn't you hear the chief took my badge? There's nothing I could do.
A park ranger is never lost, even in the darkest wood. Badge or no badge. I have to go now. I hope this hasn't been all idle chatter. Stories around the campfire.
Campfire. It was you.
How'd you find me?
I just followed the campfire. Got it, Tony.